Everybody's waiting, time's ticking, and that gets to you.
I could feel my hands shaking, major adrenaline rush.
If pressure makes diamonds, these gems dazzled, showcasing speed, precision, and finesse.
It is truly impressive.
It's the Nissan Smyrna Games, and everything's on the line. Who will come out on top?
There's nothing better than being able to showcase your craft in front of your family, in front of your kids, to say this is what we do.
One of the tightest contests is always sealer, especially with the defending champ competing again. But this year, Amanda Trapp was ready to step into the ring.
I didn't feel nervous at all until I started. Once I started, it was like, bam.
As the clock ticked mercilessly and a large crowd watched, she showcased the finesse her coworkers see every day. In the end, she won by just a few seconds, taking home a new trophy and a whole lot of pride.
I've only been online since March doing this. I've done everything that I've set my mind to at Nissan so far, and this was just another thing to add to it. And so yeah, so much pride comes out of today.
Cedric McDonald also felt that Smyrna pride, first when walking out with his son little Cedric, and then while competing in a brand new competition. As a veteran in sub-assembly, this was his time to shine.
It's something that we do every day, so it was natural once I got going.
Battling tough competitors, Cedric finished second, but ultimately didn't mind. He knows he'll always be first in his son's eyes.
It was a good feeling, especially because he's constantly asking me, like, what do I do? Do I build cars and et cetera, et cetera. So it was a fun experience just having him here with me, and he can actually see some of what I do. You gonna tell your friends what I do?
Yeah.
And how much fun you had watching me?
Yes.
The games this year were rich with family moments like that, beginning with technician Ryan Powell, who officially kicked the games off with his daughter Stella.
It meant the world to me. I don't know if y'all saw, but I was kind of in tears.
In the crane competition, Justin Dunnigan's boys were also front row as their dad maneuvered the weight through an incredibly tricky course.
I feel like I could have done better.
While he didn't finish first, he still took home a big prize, along with something even more special.
It means they look up to me, and one of my boys said, I want to do this. They like seeing what I do.
From stamping and paint to body and maintenance, the Nissan Smyrna Games showcase exactly what it means to have Smyrna pride. Next year, don't miss your chance to shine.
Being able to showcase what their craft is extremely important, but the pride that they take in their work, it's unbelievable.